Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a huge brow makeover with some nice curled lashes, since that's all you can see right now due to our masks in these COVID times. Stay tuned, check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring that bell for every new video I put out. You'll get all the notifications. First things first, I'm going to show you what I usually fill my brows in with and what color it is. So this is the Anastasia Brow Definer in the color Ebony. My brows are super dark naturally, as you can tell. And what I've been doing lately with them is I've been just kind of letting them grow in to find their natural state. And I've just been plucking like right underneath. I kind of leave like my brows alone now. Actually, I just brush them every day with a little bit of castor oil. I really feel like the castor oil helps thicken them and keep them in the best shape possible, helps keep them very moisturized, just like your hair should be. So one end is the brow brush, which I absolutely love. And you can kind of just like brush them. And the other side is the pencil. I love this one because it's like a thicker contour definer rather than like a really thin pencil. I actually recently just had my brows laminated, if you've ever seen that or heard of that. I got them done at Lash Boulevard in upstate New York. They're absolutely amazing and they do it super quick. I didn't have them shape them, I just shaped them myself, like I said. So as you can tell, I'm just brushing my brows up and they're staying really straight. I kind of just am brushing my brows straight up, like I said. The brow lamination is great just for perming your brows straight. So it really creates that fuller look when you want to just like brush them up and give them the unruly look, the more natural look. So there's one step, and look how much bigger they just got. That's why I just absolutely love the lamination. I'll definitely do it again. I think you're supposed to get it done like every 6 to 8 weeks, nothing before that, just because like a regular perm with your hair, it could just really damage it, and I don't want my brows falling out because it took a long time to get them here. But yeah. All right. So the first step we're going to do is, like I just did, brush them up, and then I'm going to go through underneath and just see how I have like little spaces in my brows right here. I just want to kind of hit that. So I'm going to just kind of like color them in right in through there. I'm going to finish it in the mirror because it's really hard to do on the camera. And I'm just drawing like a straight line, very lightly, very lightweight on the brows, nothing too heavy. Use a very light hand. And then I take the other end and I kind of just brush that into the brows so it looks very natural. As you can tell, it already looks so much better. And if you want to get the top also, brush your brows over to the side. And see how I have a little bit of space like right in front right here, and then through like this part, I can kind of like create that shape. So I'm just gonna kind of go in and draw like this, very light-handed, nothing too heavy. And I'll show you what that looks like. So I kind of did it too heavy, like right about here, as you can tell, but what you can do is brush downwards in a downwards motion all across the top. Now, as you can tell, it really filled all those lines that I really didn't want there. All right, so there's the one brow. As you can tell, it looks so much better than the other one already. And then I'm gonna do the other one. All right, there they are. Eyebrows on fleek. Love it. So now they look so natural and bushy. I just got this little 24-hour brush brow setter. I loved the way it dried and the way it looked. I didn't like the way how it turned like crusty after like during the middle part of the day. I feel like you know when you have gel in your hair, or your boyfriend, your husband has gel in his hair, and it gets like that hard feeling, and then it gets like dandruffy looking almost sometimes. I feel like this definitely did that, and I wasn't a big fan. It's unfortunate because I really do like the way it sets your brows. So I'm not gonna use that right now. I actually bought the Pixi Brow Tamer, which I love, from Target. Absolutely love it. It doesn't hold your brows as well, but it definitely doesn't dry hard. It dries like very soft. And I also have the Maybelline New York Brow Fast Sculpt. So I'm actually gonna show you guys this one today. I really do love how this made my brows like stay in place. I know they look a lot better now because they are laminated and they will stay straighter and they will stay fuller looking. So I definitely recommend that. Even if you have finer brows, the lamination really does help give you the fuller look. So yeah, what you're gonna do is kind of just pump it. And then it's really nice, this brush, because it has like a thicker side and then a really thin side. So this is the longer side of the bristles and this is the shorter end here. I'm just gonna kind of go in with the shorter end and make sure the gel is in my brows really well. I'm gonna kind of get close to the camera so you can really see how I'm brushing them in. There's the one brow. And go to the other side. I guess my brows could be trimmed a little bit, but I like the length of them and how they're like falling. Now, if you don't like the really brushed up look, what I like to do is I'll show you. I go in after I brush them up and I just take it and I create like a straight line and it goes over and it lays your brows flat really nicely along the line here. And there you have it. There's the brow. So now I'm going to show you guys a nice little trick. So I have my eyelash curler and I'm just going, this is actually by Tweezerman. I got it from Target as well. I'm going to take my dryer, my blow dryer, and heat up the eyelash curler a little bit with like the hot air. And you just want to touch it and make sure it's not like steaming hot, burning hot against your eyelids, because that would not feel good. And it's really warm, it's perfect. So now I'm going to take the eyelash curler and find my eyelashes in there, the top layer here. And make sure you're not on your skin or anything. Crimp it down, pull the corner out, make sure your bottom lashes aren't in there, and just pulse it a couple of times to really curl them. The heat actually acts like a curler, like you would curl your hair with a curling iron, but this is your eyelashes. Do the mid part and then do the tips and kind of just like swing it up. And you get that like really curled look. I did this eye right here. You can tell the difference a little bit. It exaggerates the curl, which I absolutely love. So like as the heat is on your lashes while this is on there, it's gonna keep the curl there, and while it cools, it's gonna really just keep the shape of it like all day for you. I love it. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just take the dryer, heat it up. And there's both sets of lashes done. As you can tell, they're super curly. I'll stand on the side so you can see them. I like to use the Voluminous Lash Paradise from Target, this one. But I also actually recently just found this one. I absolutely love this. Falsies Push Up Drama. And I thought both sides of the mascara came open, but just this one side does, the red side. And I'm going to take this one. And this brush is like really just tiny with very little bristle parts on it, as you can tell. And I'm just gonna take it and like start at the bottom lash line and wiggle it around and bring it up like that. This really hits like close to your lash line, which I love about this type of mascara brush. And I like this mascara a lot as well. There's the one. Take this again, coat it really well. There's the brush. And do the other one as well. Okay, so I have both lashes done. You can let this dry just for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with this mascara. I feel like this gives it more of like the wispier look, this one. So while that's drying, I'm just gonna kind of coat this brush. This brush is really nice. As you can tell, it's definitely thicker than the other one. Take this one, coat it in the mascara, and just start for your tips of your lashes here. Wiggle it around. You can go on the top of them kind of too if you want. All right, so now I'll go on the other side and do the other one. There it is, the glam look. And I like to just drag the corners out a little bit too. Okay, so take the Q-tip again. You can wet the Q-tip if you want. I'm actually gonna do that so I'm not pulling my skin around above my eyelid here. Take it, wet it, and just like wipe everything you don't want there from the mascara. Okay, last step. I'm going to grab my black eyeliner. This is the L'Oreal Carbon Black Pencil Perfect, also from Target. And just take it and just like have a little tip right there. That's the pencil right there. And take it and you're gonna wanna like color this part of your eyelid right here. So it's like pull your eye up and you're going to get the more dramatic look if you color in like this part of your eye right here. So that's what I'll do. Just pull your eyelid up and color that in. The one. I'll go the other side. All right, there it is. Brows and lashes for days on end. That's all that people can see, so that's all that matters. All right, guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video on brows and lashes. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Ring that bell for the newest videos that come out. You'll be the first to know. And yeah, drop me a comment below. Let me know what products you've tried, what ones you like, what ones you don't like. And I will see you next time.